There was an old city hidden in the heart of America. Its streets were quiet now. The bricks that once shined were cracked. The paint had faded. And every wall seemed to carry the weight of time. Most people stayed away. Shops had been closed for years. Children who grew up there had moved far away. What was once a place full of laughter and life had turned into silence. But there was one man who didn't turn his back on it. Every day he walked those empty streets and felt something. He didn't just see broken buildings. He felt the heartbeat of a city that refused to die. Before sunrise, he would open his small shop. He would sweep the street outside until it was spotless. He would fix the broken fence with his own hands. He would paint over the old, cracked walls, one brushstroke at a time. And wherever he found weeds growing, he planted flowers instead. People laughed at him. They said he was wasting his time. "This city is done," they said. "No one is coming back. Why work so hard for a place that's already dead?" But he didn't stop. Day after day, week after week, he showed up. He believed that even the smallest effort mattered. One street became clean. One wall became bright again. And slowly, almost silently, the city began to change. A young artist returned and started painting beautiful murals on the walls. A baker reopened his family's bakery, and the smell of fresh bread filled the air once again. Neighbors started greeting each other. Children came back to play in the same streets where weeds once grew. And as the months passed, the city felt alive again. Tourists came to see its history. New families moved in to start their future. The sound of laughter returned. The city had been reborn, not because someone gave it money, but because someone believed in it enough to start. When people asked a man why he never gave up, he simply smiled and said, "A city doesn't die when its buildings fall apart. A city dies when its people stop believing." This story is a reminder for all of us. No matter how broken life looks, it can rise again. It doesn't take an army. It doesn't take a miracle. It starts with one person, one act of hope, one decision to believe again. If an old city can come back to life, so can you. There was an old city